The next step is to unpack your cable components. Please note that the quantity of each item may vary based on your bin sizes and number of cables within the bins. Per cable, you should have the following items: 1 temperature or moisture cable, 1 cable saddle or angle mount, 2 half-inch bolts with washers and nuts, 3 3/8-inch self-tapping screws, 1 cable tie-down package, which includes 1 anchor plate, 1 metal O-ring, 4 1/4-inch self-tapping screws, 2 1/4-inch concrete screws, 1 piece of twine for 100 pounds 45 kilogram strength, and a small plastic bag containing P-clips and 5/16-inch self-tapping screws. If you're missing any of these items or have any questions, please contact your local OP dealer or OP Inside Sales at 1-800-661-1055 before continuing with your install.